Hi guys, welcome back to the Sister YouTube channel. We will be showing you guys tonight what we do in the night. So it's currently almost 12 o'clock. So
I am
we
sleeping.
normally put on this lotion. Yeah, because it's healthy. Smell. I don't know if you guys can smell it, but yeah, we put it on our faces because it's very healthy. As you guys can see. We're not gonna brush our teeth in front of you guys because
We didn't
I mean right there can we do our hair. Hi guys, so we're gonna do our hair. Now you can't only be in front of us. Come guys, so I'm just gonna like move here normal bola because it's not like we're going out or something. Yeah. I'm sorry.
My hair is done, but it's just like my hair is done, but it's just curly. No?
We don't make us really tight bola straight now because you need it like yeah. I don't know how my hair looks, but let's leave it for later. Sorry. So she will be coming if you know it's done because hair is a very problem. Hi guys, so I don't know I know what's the time, but I don't like lots of time. So why don't we make us some tea? Yeah. We can't drink coffee at night, guys. So we're just gonna put on the kettle and sort everything out and we're coming back. So guys, we decided we're eating cake. Yeah. Because there's gonna be a lot of parts because like the stuff isn't so short anyways. Yeah. So we're gonna eat some cake. Yeah, so we're eating some cake and then obviously we always eat something sweet.
And then we're gonna brush our teeth. What?
Do you know what? I actually want tea now, but then I take the milk and I shake it and I put it in. Yeah, we're gonna make us tea now, guys. Say part for part 2, we're gonna make the tea. Bye.